Lamso gojo tonai my contest Tripura YouTube channel norog screen nugi man tongana obongke ketal job notification ongkormani total vacancy tongo obongke 85 category wise khakjak tongo obongke unreserved 44 vacancy tongo tai ST rong bagai ingke 26 SC rong bagai ingke 16 tamo job post ni bagai vacancy tlangjak tongke abo laboratory technical blood tlangjak nai 2 number tongo radiology and imaging technologies 3 number tongo optometrist gafaidi sung table full details kam ke silainai o job ni details PDF open khlaiei puila video chengna sakang nongno jotona request khayo tini kebani YouTube channel no ketal nai tongke kebo subscribe khai kongke subscribe khina di tai bell icon sina tapukdi ketal video upload khaifro notification nongthani thangsogina bagai gam norong nugiman tokana obongke official website ni job notification obongke video file ora mention khlajak Government of Tripura Directorate of Health Service Agartala West Tripura employment notification o job talangjanai obongke Health and Family Welfare Department Government under oke o job talangjanai obongke ora mention khlajak tongo 18 simi 40 বছর জরতই apply খাইমানাই তাই আর মেনশন খাইজাক 5 year realization tongnai abongke STSC PWD PH EX serviceman candidate rong bagai garo phaidi sing full details nailinai por 1 number tongo laboratory technical abongke blood ajaga job talangjangnai total vacancy tongo ro mention khaijak 39 post tongo vacancy tai aboni bisingo category wise khakjak unreserved 20 tongo SC tongo 07 ST rong tongo 12 obake vacancy tongnai educational qualification and desirable or mention khlaijak abongke high secondary pass na nangnai job apply khlanya angke with logi science pass ungjang nangnai tai 2 years diploma medical laboratory technology porijak jare institute porijak borok o job apply khlaimanai eba kharo tekesa mention khlaijak jara bachelor khaijak BSc in medical laboratory technology jara khlaijak borok o job apply khlaimanai jara high secondary pass ingkangke norok 2 years diploma khlaijak angna nangnai Ayazagawa salary tongnai 20,475 per month abaki mention khlaijak tai 75% minimum slot entry level tai pay level 9 abaki mention khlaijak tongo norok nai naidi serial number 2 bo tongo radiology and imaging technologies abahai post vacancy tlangjang oro hongke 27 post tongo Upon a bisungo category wise khakjak reserve 14 tai ST 8 S inke 06 abo haike tongo salary mention khlaijabo same tongnai laboratory technical blood by radiology and imaging technologies abo same salary tongnai mention khlaijak qualification nangnai orobo high secondary pass logi sign pass ungjang nangnai at least 2 years radiography abo khlaijak subject norok job apply khlaimanai and jara bachelor khlaijak norok ke bachelor of science khlaijak ke norok oro mention khlaijak tongo radiography radio diagnosis imaging technologies medical technology radiography medical radiologic technology obai kubangma mention khlaijak tongo oboni bisingo norok ni course khlaijak tongka norok o job apply khlaimanai serial number 3 tongo optometrist ojaga mention khlaijak vacancy ke ojaga total 19 tongo 19 ta aboni bisingo tongo unreserved category wise khakjak unreserved tongo 10 SC rok tongo 3 tai S3 rok bagai tongo 6 obai ke vacancy khakjak tongo nai orobo same high secondary pass logi sign pass angjak tai 2 year diploma khlaijak ngna nangnai abongke optometry eba ke ophthalmic assistant course obai khlaijak 2 years diploma khlaijak ke norok apply khlaimanai abo hingke jara high secondary pass hungjak rok ar jara bachelor khlaijak hingke to norok optometry eba bachelor in ophthalmic assistant of high course khlaijak hingke norok direct apply khlaimangka jara high secondary pass khlaijak norok abo hingke 2 years diploma khlaijak wngna nangnai eba ke jara bachelor khlaijak norok hingke nongni o course kaini tongmani bisingo norok khlaijak hingke norok apply khlaimano desirable aro mention khlaijak tong knowledge Bengali eba kokbrok saimana nangnai and ajogo mention khlaijak 4% vacancy tongnai PWD rong bagui and 33% vacancy tongnai women borong bagui vacancy tongnai ajaga selection jara candidate ngnai borok written examination marnai abo hingke 85 mark ni nongni written examination nangnai tai jara shortlist ongkhanai borok hingke to interview rina nangnai abo hingke 15 mark ni wngnai online application submit khlaina bagui visit khlaiji oro mention khlaijak o kaini website tu thangui norok search khlaikha norok ajaga apply khlaimannai online application submit khaina bagui norok o jaga date mention khlaijak tongo 28 April 2025 ni simi 17 May 2025 obaike mention khlaijak saringni 5 PM jorti apply khlaina rok mannai Friendsong abo hingke jara medical line porijak o 3ta course tongmani norok oro sabsamni qualification mili norok job apply khlaina rok mano salary kahamno tai o jaga bo mention khlaijak jotono full details norok video ni through ti norok semangkana norok PDF download khlainai mane abo hingke video description link mannai direct ar thangke norok o PDF no download khlainai mano eba ke norok official website tu thangui norok download khlainai mano bini syllabus rok bo mention khlaijak tongo radiology eba ke radiography bongni bagui obo hingke syllabus and abo hingke syllabus tongo abo ke laboratory technical blood bongni bagui abo hingke syllabus tong bongni tai abo hingke syllabus optometry jara job apply khlainai nongni syllabus wngnai abo hingke omo 4ta total page tongo video description thangka norok direct link manai norok aro thangui click haike download khlainai manai friends video fai asang naitongma bagui jotno hambai keba ani YouTube channel no subscribe khai kongka subscribe khaina di tai bell icon sina tapok di kedal video upload khai pro notification thangjogoi bagui